Tell me what's going on, my friend.
There's a blue light on the driver's side headlight. Looking at the headlight, if you're looking at it, it's in the lower left-hand corner of the, and it's just a little blue light. It stays on. Nothing on the dash to indicate. I don't know what it is. I was just wondering if somebody had a clue as to what that was. But it stays on. It's not really draining the battery or anything, doesn't seem, but it just stays on, constant. Never turns off. Whether the light's off, vehicle off, it stays on.
Well, thank you for that information. So I missed the part, and I apologize. Is this inside the vehicle, or is this outside?
No, at the headlight itself. Right. If you're looking at the headlight, it'll be in the lower left-hand corner. If you were driving, it would be in the lower right-hand corner of the headlight. It's a little blue light.
So it's actually on the headlight itself?
Right. It's on the headlight.
Okay. Let's take a look here. Let me see. I'll look at a wiring diagram and see if it's listed in the diagram here. The only lights I see here are, and it's not in the left park / daytime running lamp, left front turn signal lamp, left front side marker lamp. Let's take a look here. That's all I see. Left headlamp assembly, left high beam solenoid actuator, left park daytime running lamp. Wouldn't be a running lamp because they wouldn't make that blue.
Right.
So it's on the headlight itself.
Right. It's on the headlight in the lower left corner.
So this is factory, correct?
Excuse me?
So it's obviously from the factory. It's not aftermarket.
No. Well, I just bought the Corvette 2 months ago, so I don't guess it's aftermarket. Then I could be wrong. I don't know. Did someone replace the headlights? I don't know.
Headlight ballast, high beam. I'm only showing low beam and high beam circuits that go to that left headlight assembly. Here. You're welcome to take some pictures or some videos and send it to me so I can see. You can do that. Maybe it's aftermarket, or maybe it's just looking through some diagrams here, see if I can find out what in the world this is. Left high beam solenoid actuator, left headlamp ballast, left park / daytime running lamp. Yeah, but that wouldn't be blue. Why would that be blue? It doesn't blink, right? It stays on when you turn the engine off.
Solid. It just stays on. Whether the engine on or off, whether the lights on or off, it just stays on.
What if it's a tracker? They put a tracker on the vehicle.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I just say, if people ask me what is it, I say it's a theft deterrent. Oh.
I don't see anything, my friend. I'll do some more digging, and if I come across anything that I think will help, I'll definitely send it over, and you're welcome to take some pictures or videos so I can see what you're talking about.
Where would I send that picture?
You would basically upload it to the chat. That would mean you are chatting on.
I guess I'll try and do that, man. But like I said, it's just a solid light. It doesn't seem to be draining the battery or anything.
It'll stay on all night long when you turn this thing off?
It's still on, regardless. And like I said, and I only bought it 2 months ago. And in the first 2 or 3 days, I didn't pay attention. And then I was looking through the window and looking at it, and I said, wait a minute, there's light on. So I went outside, then I looked at it, and I said, well, that's kind of funny. And then nothing but I looked in the car, and I could turn this off. I looked through the books, so there's nothing that indicates what that is to me. It's just on. It's just a constant. And when I say it's blue, I'm looking at it now, and it's got a blue hue to it, but it's real small. The left-hand corner. So I don't know. I like my car. And I say I work for a Dodge dealership, but I always wanted me a Corvette, so what I can spend my money on.
So left turn signal. So the turn signals wouldn't be on when this is on. The high beams, the low beams. So I don't see anything in this. If you can't, send me a picture or a video so I can see it. We can figure out what in the world's going on here.
Do that. Would this number be the number I would be getting called from, the 415?
Upload it to the chat from this number. You got it.
Different numbers that you call. And I can't just send it to.
No, I don't think so. This number doesn't take incoming calls. So you can try it, but I don't think it's going to work.
Right. Because I found the page by accident, but I just downloaded it on my phone. So I guess I'm going to go ahead on and sign up. And I don't know if it would get back to you, though. If I could get back to you.
They'll know it's you, and when you respond back when you log in, your questions will be right there. And then you just click on the question, and then you'll see my image there.
Well, see, I didn't log in. I just said ask questions, so I didn't do anything when I was on the computer, my laptop. So I don't know. I'm gonna go see if I can sign up on that, and
Okay.
then use that sign in to get into this one on my app on my phone. Yes, but I appreciate you looking and trying to figure out what it is. But like I said, it's not draining my battery or anything. If it is, it's a very slow drain because I see no weakness on the when I start it up.
Right.
And I drive it about every day, so not like the battery gonna sit. It's gonna sit and sit where it could drain the battery. So I don't
Right.
know. I don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out.
That sounds good, my friend. I'll let you go. I'll let you work on that. Just respond back to the chat, and we'll go from there.
Okay. What's your name, sir? If you don't mind.
My name is
Amity.
yes, sir. Amity. Amedee.
Amity. Cool. All right, Amity. Thank you very much.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. I'll talk with you soon.
All right. Later.
All right.